Myth versus fact. Cracking knuckles causes arthritis. Myth. Cracking your knuckles will cause arthritis as you get older. Many people believe the popping sound damages the joints and leads to long-term issues. Fact. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in the joint, not from bones rubbing. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. It may cause minor swelling or reduced grip strength, but it's generally harmless.